And then Guru Nanak ends with the same seal that he ends the previous two Paurees. Kudrat. Kudrat is a word that means power or ability. It literally is God's power, God's omnipotence. It refers to the universe and creation. And it's also has an Arabic and Persian derivation, Kudrat. So it comes from Arabic. And again, it means this power, this God's power, this omnipotence. Kavann. Kavann is a word that can mean who or which. It's a question. God, Guru Nanak's asking this question. Well, what is that power? Who is it that's behind this amazing, indescribable omnipotence, which is all pervasive beyond time and space and beyond anything I could count or describe or explain? And then another question Guru Nanak brings in the same sentence, Kahaa, which is like a question meaning where or how or wherefore or whenceforth. Where does this come from? How could it be? So he's asking not only who is this, but where is it coming from? Where did it, how does it derive? And then here's the word Veechaar. How can I even consider this? And this is where the essence of this word Veechaar comes in. How can I completely conceive of it? That's in this essence, in this context, Veechaar is how can I conceptualize, how can I know this and know it completely and hold it and own it? That's Veechaar. How can I know? How can I experience? How can I know it to such an extent that I have and I hold this experience, and then I'm able to contain it? That's Veechaar. That's the Veechaar is something that is transformative. It's chemical. All the chemicals, all the synapses in your brain are firing. And now you're no longer in a state, even Guru Nanak is saying it, he's beyond the state now of exteriorly counting and looking and observing. And he's just got into this point of, oh my God, it's a complete surrender of, I can't count anymore. I can't even conceive it, but I've gone so deep in trying, and so deep that I actually now am that experience of all that I have conceived of this creation to be. And that's Veechaar.